slowing. Slowing. Boy, she don't want to slow down today. Oh, my trim's not trimming, that's why. I ain't helping. Alright.
Traffic bearing 0 kilo down form on our 45 left downwind, runway 5, not all.
Oh, trim's not working. Here we go, now we got
traffic, Skyhawk 733 Hotel, is going to enter midfield left downwind, runway 3, Beaufort traffic.
And Beaufort traffic, 57 November is turning final, runway 3, Beaufort. Got to get slowed so we can get full flaps. Speed checks, here they come. Turning final, trim is working.
Runway 20.
Oh, my throttle keeps tricking up too there.
Okay, traffic sky 68, echo left downwind.
The bumps and everything, I don't know. Trim. Alright, we're trimmed. All damps away before landing checks are complete.
Beaufort traffic, Skyhawk 733 Hotel, is midfield left downwind, runway 3, Beaufort traffic.
Alright, welcome to Beaufort. We'll retrim. Trim it to the bottom of the screen since we'll be a little tail heavy. Thanks for flying along. We're going to hurry up to clear the runway. And Beaufort traffic 57 November is clear of the active Beaufort. Alright, thanks for flying along. I'll stop it.
Beaufort traffic, Skyhawk 733 Hotel is turning